Imagine a world under the waves, where the most unexpected friendships bloom in the deep blue. Meet Daisy, a lively dolphin known for her joyous leaps through the ocean waves. Her playground was vast, filled with endless adventure, but there was one area she always avoided: the territory of Sam the shark. Sam, a great white, was often misunderstood because of his fearsome appearance. One sunny afternoon, Daisy's curiosity led her into a dangerous trap, a fishing net. As panic set in, her situation seemed hopeless. That was until a shadow loomed large. It was Sam. Instead of the monster she imagined, Sam came to her rescue. With careful movements, he freed Daisy from the net, showing her a kindness she had never expected from a shark. "Thank you, Sam," she whispered, a new friendship blossoming in the ocean depths. From that day on, Daisy saw past Sam's sharp teeth to the hero within. Together, they explored the ocean, their unique friendship a testament to the ocean's magic, where even the most unlikely creatures can become the best of friends. So let's dive into their world and remember, beneath the surface, everyone has the potential for kindness.